Life on Mars? Discover the evidence in this video. In the silent, dust-covered valleys of Mars, something unexpected has been hiding for billions of years. Not a signal, not a structure, but a pattern, etched into stone. For decades, scientists have asked one haunting question: did life ever exist beyond Earth? Now, a discovery deep inside an ancient Martian crater is bringing us closer than ever to an answer. What if the red planet was once alive, and we are only just beginning to see the evidence? The story begins inside Jezero Crater, a vast basin stretching 50 kilometers across the Martian surface. Billions of years ago, this place was not dry and barren. It was filled with water, fed by rivers that carved valleys and deposited sediments into what was once a lake. Today, that ancient history is preserved in stone. In 2021, a robotic explorer began its mission across this landscape, carefully studying the terrain, drilling into rocks, and collecting samples. Among the many discoveries, one stood out. In 2024, a uniquely shaped rock was identified near an ancient river delta. This rock, later named Chayava Falls, held unusual features that immediately captured attention. Its surface contained intricate patterns, dark spots scattered across a lighter background, resembling leopard-like markings. These were not random. They appeared to be the result of chemical reactions, possibly linked to processes that, on Earth, are often associated with microbial life. Further analysis revealed something even more intriguing. The rock contained organic compounds, molecules built around carbon, which are essential for life as we know it. Alongside these compounds were minerals rich in iron and phosphate, including hematite, vivianite, and grigite. These minerals are not just ordinary geological formations. On Earth, they are often connected to environments where microorganisms thrive. The arrangement of these minerals told a deeper story. Scientists observed patterns consistent with redox reactions involving iron and sulfur. This type of chemical process can provide energy for microbes, allowing them to survive in environments without sunlight. On Earth, similar structures are found in sediments where bacteria consume organic material and release byproducts like iron oxides and sulfates. But here lies the mystery. While these features strongly resemble biological activity, they can also form through purely chemical, non-biological processes over millions of years. This creates a scientific puzzle. Are these markings the fossilized fingerprints of ancient Martian microbes, or are they simply the result of complex chemistry? To strengthen the investigation, additional rock samples were studied from nearby regions rich in clay. These areas, including locations known as Sapphire Canyon and Masonic Temple, revealed consistent mineral compositions and structural patterns. The distribution of these minerals aligned with the hypothesis that organic matter once interacted with the surrounding environment in a way that could support life. The evidence is compelling, but not yet conclusive. The samples collected are being preserved for a future mission that aims to bring them back to Earth. Only with advanced laboratory analysis can scientists determine whether these patterns are truly biological in origin. However, the future of this mission is uncertain. Plans to retrieve these samples face challenges, including budget constraints and shifting priorities. At the same time, other nations are preparing their own missions, aiming to return Martian material to Earth even sooner. So now, humanity stands at a crossroads. The evidence is in our hands, or rather, waiting on another world. The question is no longer whether Mars was once habitable. It is whether it was once alive. Somewhere within those ancient rocks lies a story billions of years old. A story of water, chemistry, and perhaps life itself. The patterns discovered on Mars may be the clearest signs we have ever seen, but they are also a reminder of how much we still do not know. If these markings are proven to be biological, it would change everything. It would mean that life is not unique to Earth. It would mean the universe may be filled with living worlds, waiting to be discovered. And if they are not, then the mystery deepens even further, pushing us to explore, to question, and to keep searching. Because sometimes the most important discoveries are not the answers we find, but the questions that refuse to go away.